Salibonani. Kunjani. At least I can speak, ne? We have to thank Papa and Mama for calling Great Angels Choir to come here. You know, it's not easy for man of God or for everyone to call the group like this, to pay everything. It's not easy. Hallelujah. Man of God, he loves us before we love him. Hallelujah. And we love him too. And we love you too. Hallelujah. God bless you.